I'm super excited to have you here as we begin this journey into TensorFlow. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start working on your own amazing TensorFlow projects. Before we dive into TensorFlow, there are a few prerequisites. You should have a basic understanding of Python and a bit of math, especially linear algebra. If you know some deep learning theory, that's even better. Alright, so first things first, installing TensorFlow. Believe it or not, this can actually be one of the trickiest parts of getting started. But don't stress, I'm going to walk you through it. The easiest way to get started is Google Colab. It's cloud-based and you don't have to install anything on your system. In Colab, all you need to do is type import TensorFlow STF. And then you can check your TensorFlow version with print TF version. Simple, right? But I know many of you prefer having TensorFlow installed locally on your PC. I've got you covered there too, whether you're using a GPU or just running on CPU. I'm going to show you the easiest way to set it up. Head over to the Anaconda website to download it. Anaconda helps you manage multiple environments on your PC, so you can easily switch between Python setups. Once you've downloaded Anaconda, go ahead and install it using the default options. Now download PyCharm. This is the code editor I recommend, and we'll be using it for this tutorial. Choose the community version because it's free and works perfectly. Once you've got Anaconda and PyCharm installed, it's time to create TensorFlow environment. If you have a CUDA-enabled GPU, great, let's set up TensorFlow for GPU use. In Anaconda, you'll create a new environment by running the command conda create --name tf TensorFlow GPU. What's great about this is that it'll automatically download all the dependencies you need for running TensorFlow on a GPU. If you're using a CPU, the process is similar. Instead of installing the GPU version, you'll use command conda create name tf CPU. After that, you just need to activate your environment with conda activate tf CPU and install TensorFlow using pip. Now let's jump into PyCharm and configure it to use our new environment. Go to new project and select existing interpreter and choose the TensorFlow environment we just created. You should be all set to start coding with TensorFlow. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.